Hey all, and welcome to week 3 of our 30310 class, Christian Thought and Life. I want to encourage you. We are on a journey together, and we're looking at what do we really believe, and that's something that we'll be doing throughout the course of our lives, or we should be anyways, evaluating, reflecting, going from this embedded theology to more of a deliberative theology. And that should be a part of all areas of our lives, right? I think it was Socrates back about 2,500 years ago, the great Greek philosopher, not a Christian at all, but he talked about the life well lived as being one that is contemplated, that we think about. What are we doing with this time that we have, this, 100 years, 80 years, 60 years, 40 years. We don't really know what we have, but so I want to encourage you to be doing that, not just for this class, but just over the course of your lives, thinking about, why am I making these choices? What am I doing? Where am I going? And you can actually get a pretty good idea of where you're going in life generally just by looking at where your feet are taking you. So I hope that makes sense. If you just think about, where am I actually physically going every day, it can give you a pretty good idea of really where you're going in life generally. So there's that. I hope that you are enjoying the course so far. I hope that you're finding it interesting and helpful. This week we're going to continue to look at the McGrath materials. The chapters of McGrath, you'll be writing a reflection paper over those, and also responding to a voice thread that has to do with the idea of suffering in the world. So those are some things that are coming up this week. I do want to remind you that as you watch some of the recorded videos, just be aware that, as I mentioned last week, you'll hear Lori Gaffner's voice. I should just remind you that Lori was a beloved professor here who passed away this past spring, but rather than reinvent the wheel and re-record all of these videos that she made for this class that we have kind of jointly taught, or we've both taught different sections of, rather than do that over, you'll hear Lori's voice, and so there. I just wanted you to be aware of that. She was a beloved professor here. I hope this is a great week for you. Please, as always, if you have questions or concerns, please reach out and get in touch with me. Looks like my dog is whining at the door needing to go outside, so I'll close it up for this week.